Hey everyone, so in this video we'll deploy a simple Python web application on the Cloud Run. So web application has just two files actually. One is a main.py where all the endpoints are there. It is already there in the GitHub in my repository. So it has uh, student related endpoints like get all the students and um, get post get individual student post, that is for add, then update, delete, to all CRUD operation but not with the database. Just is it is only for the demo, so I just hard coded some of the records, the 5 records, so that I can show that how we can deploy on the Google Cloud Run, right? And it has a Docker file. Docker file is a general Docker file. It is no fancy Docker file. You have a base Python image and you create a working directory. You copy the requirement.txt into working directory. You use a pip install for the requirement.txt file, and this is a simple fast API application. So you expose the 8080 post, and that uh, this is a port, and then you have a command. There is a simple URL command, and that's it. All right. So it is a fast API. Again, a simple controller. So now let's go back to the Google Cloud, and here we'll directly deploy from the source. We'll not build using the Docker file. We just use it. We'll just give the Docker file to Cloud Run, and the Google Cloud Run will take care of everything. Okay. So click on create service. Click on this second option rather than the first one, and click on setup cloud build. And here you'll have to, you know, if you are trying first time, then it will ask you for the username and password of this GitHub. So you can just try that, and you can then select the GitHub. It has also a Bitbucket option is also there. Okay, but mostly on average we are using the GitHub. And repository, I just simply said Python and web sample, or it is, yeah, Python web sample. All right, and I'll just go with the next. And what is the branch? This is a master branch, not a main branch. So here we can choose the, oh, we have to choose the master branch. Okay, and then just choose a Docker file, and the Docker file path is already by default. If it is a different path, then you can provide the path over here, but it is in the source directory, so we are going with the default one. All right, just click on save, and here I just decrease. If you don't decrease, then it will be a maximum number of 100 instances. So we have a demo, so we don't require so many instances. Click on this authentication, allow unauthenticated invocation, so that we can access this API from outside, that is from the internet. That's so it becomes the public API or website. Now click on create. This may take a little while, maybe on 30-40 seconds or maybe a minute or two. Then after, your application should be started. All right, so our application has been deployed. Now let's just click on this URL which has been mentioned over here, and it is done. So now let's try all the API, and then I can try for the third one or maybe a second one. All the endpoints, rest of the endpoint we can test on a Postman, so you can try. But yes, it is working. It is working as expected. So main goal was to deploy the Python web sample application on a Cloud Run without building, pushing image anywhere. You just provide the source and the Docker file, then it has done. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.